What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to change your background in a Zoom meeting. So as you can see here, I'm in a Zoom meeting, and to change the background all I have to do is go to here where it says stop video and click on the arrow next to it. And here you can see many options like blur the background or choose a virtual background. So let's click on choose virtual background. You can see here many backgrounds to choose from, like this San Francisco one. As you can see here, it's applied to the meeting, and if the camera sees your face or your body will be shown here and the background will be shown behind it. Or you can simply blur the background. So let's hit the virtual background so you can blur it to have your normal photo but blurred. You can choose this grass background or this earth one and choose from these backgrounds and keep the one that you like, and it will be shown to the people with you in the meeting.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.